Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare the Tesla Model Y and the Volvo XC60, focusing on their crash test performance and overall safety. We'll delve into the details of how each vehicle protects its occupants in various collision scenarios. Understanding these aspects is crucial for making an informed decision about your next family SUV. Let's explore their safety features and ratings to see which one truly stands out. The Tesla Model Y consistently demonstrates exceptional safety. It has received a 5-star overall safety rating from the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration. Furthermore, the Insurance Institute for Highway Safety awarded it a Top Safety Pick Plus, their highest recognition. The Model Y scored good in all crashworthiness tests, including small overlap front and side impacts. Its robust structure and advanced driver assistance systems, like automatic emergency braking, contribute significantly to occupant protection. The Volvo XC60 also boasts an impressive safety record, earning a 5-star overall safety rating from the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration. It received the Insurance Institute for Highway Safety's Top Safety Pick Award. The XC60 performed good in many crashworthiness evaluations, including the original moderate overlap front and side tests. Volvo's commitment to safety is evident with standard features like city safety, which helps prevent collisions, and comprehensive airbag systems. In conclusion, both the Tesla Model Y and the Volvo XC60 are incredibly safe vehicles, each achieving 5-star overall safety ratings. The Model Y holds a slight edge with its IS Top Safety Pick Plus award, demonstrating superior performance in all crashworthiness tests. However, the XC60 offers robust passive safety features and a comprehensive suite of driver assistance systems. Ultimately, both provide excellent protection, and your decision may come down to specific safety priorities and personal preferences.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.